Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard candy out of fruit. Start by selecting ripe fruit and straining puree for a smooth base. Measure sugar, water, and fruit puree precisely and prepare a candy thermometer. Use low heat to dissolve sugar, then increase to reach the hard crack stage while stirring gently. Pour into molds and cool fully before releasing to maintain clarity and texture for best results. Gather your ingredients and prep tools before heating any sugar. Puree fruit and strain out fibers for a silky syrup, and measure sugar and water in a heat-proof saucepan. Set up your mold and a pastry brush with water to remove sugar crystals. Heat gently until sugar dissolves completely, then avoid splashing to prevent crystals. Keep a lid nearby to steam away stray crystals if needed while watching temperature closely. Cook the sugar and fruit mixture to the hard crack stage and watch the thermometer closely. Once you reach the target temperature, remove from heat quickly and stir in any flavorings or citric acid for brightness. Pour slowly into prepared molds to avoid bubbles and allow the candy to cool completely at room temperature for best clarity. Demold gently and store in airtight containers separated by wax paper to keep them crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.